old Chicken Coop foundation set up. Wanted to show you guys just what a cool yard Hummy's got going on here. It's an example of letting native Florida back in your life. Look at these giant ironweeds, so pretty. So this guy is actually the former president of the Florida Native Plant Society. So yeah, you could say he's definitely got his native vine going on back here. Pretty legit though. Some more of those giant ironweeds. It's pretty neat. Getting a little video of this yard, man. It's a killer. Look at all them native goodies. Go into the front yard. He's got some good mangoes going on. Yeah. Bunch of native necklace plants here. Native vines. Just pretty, huh? So cool. Love it, man. And does this look like horrible landscape? No, but it's all native. Beautiful flowers everywhere. Awesome.